In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Stripe subscriptions. This is a handy skill to master, especially if you're managing multiple subscribers and need to keep track of your billing efficiently. Let's dive right into it, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to Stripe's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in stripe.com in the address bar. Once the homepage loads up, you'll need to locate the Sign In button. Usually you can find this at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the sign in page. Now it's time to enter your account details. Go ahead and input your email address and password associated with your Stripe account. If you have any trouble remembering your password, there's always the forgot password option that can guide you through resetting it. Once you've put in your credentials accurately, click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged into your Stripe account, the next step is to navigate to the home page of your dashboard. You'll see various options displayed on your screen, but for our task today, focus on the left-hand menu. Here, you need to click on Billing. This section manages the financial transactions and subscriptions associated with your business. After selecting the Billing option, you'll notice a series of tabs. Locate and click on Subscriptions to access a list of all your active Stripe subscriptions. This will display a comprehensive rundown of each customer's subscription details. Now find the specific customer whose subscription you want to cancel. An easy way to spot them is by using the search bar if you're dealing with a large list. Once you have identified the correct customer, look for the Cancel Subscription option. This is usually represented by an X icon, which you'll click to initiate the cancellation process. At this stage, Stripe will offer you different cancellation settings. You'll be prompted to select when you'd like the cancellation to take effect. Options typically include cancelling immediately or at the end of the current billing period. Make a selection that best fits your needs. Finally, to confirm your action, you'll need to click on Cancel Subscription. Stripe might ask for a bit of confirmation, making sure you're certain before proceeding, so stay attentive during this final step. And there you have it, you've successfully cancelled a subscription on Stripe. Doing this ensures you're actively managing your customer relationships and financial flow efficiently. I hope this guide was straightforward